So this video is going to look at swept boss base, which is a feature you can use to create like a pipe feature, pipe part, and this will be useful whenever you're doing your assignment for some of the parts. You can also use it and use the addition of guide curves to create a more part with more curvature or more profile. So the first thing we'll look at is um, creating like a pipe. So I'm going to sketch on the front plane, and I'm just going to draw a line up from the origin and a line across. Now, when we have looked at fillet rads before, we've done fillets in the features um, toolbar whenever we've created our 3D model. Um, but we can do it here in the sketch. So this option here is sketch fillet or sketch chamfer. So I'm going to do sketch fillet, and I'm just picking the two lines, and then you can put in the radius. So I'm going to pick 15 and click OK. So I'm going to exit sketch, and then I'm going to draw on the top plane. Okay, and I'm going to draw a circle from the origin here, and I'm going to dimension that as diameter 15. Okay. And I'm going to exit sketch. So I need to exit both sketches um, so that I have something like this. Okay, so when you use the swept boss base feature, which is here, um, you have to have a profile and a pathway. So in this case, the circle would be the profile, and this would be the pathway that it's going to follow. So I'm going to click swept boss base, and I'm going to just delete that out. So in here is my profile. So I'm going to click the circle, and my pathway then is going to be that. So you can see now that I have created um, like a pipe. So at the minute it's going to be solid, but I can create it that it's hollow with a wall thickness. So if I just click thin feature, um, and I can have it going in one direction, have it mid plane. So I'm going to pick mid plane, and I'm going to have zero point 0.5 mil wall thickness. So click OK. And you can see now that I have a pipe with a zero point 0.5 millimeter wall thickness there. So one of the parts on your assignment is this tube, it's called. Um, and you can see that we've got a rad of 30 here, gives us dimensions to that center point 58 here. Inner diameter is 50 and outer diameter is 54. So a wall thickness of 4. So you could use that to potentially create that. Um, so that's the swept boss base feature. Now you can use it, and we'll look at here. So I'm just going to create a new sketch or a new part. This doesn't seem to want to work for me when I create new. Okay, close that.